Hey guys, I hope you're doing okay. My name is Juan Jose Tamayo, your English teacher. Today we're going to see future with going to how to use it and when to use it. This is the structure: pronoun plus be verb, and it is present form like but in contraction plus going to, like I'm going to, you're going to, he's going to, she's going to, it's going to, we're going to, you're going to, and they are going to. Tips to keep on mind. It is used when you want to describe an action that is about to happen in a close or far future. To describe something, someone, or a place in the future, it is necessary to use pronoun plus its verb in its shortened form and add going to after that. Example, he's going to. This is the announcing is about to occur. This is the structure I told you before. Pronoun plus be verb plus going to plus action examples. I'm going to be a doctor in 2 years. That is going to happen in 2 years. No now. In 2 years in the future. You're going to be in Munich next month. No now. Next month. He's going to hint that he didn't listen to you. She's going to conceive the idea of leave home. It's going to be a bleak summer. The city has no amusement activities. We are going to follow his guidance. They're going to stray if they don't heed the orienteer instructions. Questions and answers. Is he going to propel the boat with the oars or by the wind? Yes, he's going to propel the boat with the oars. No, he's not going to propel the boat with the wind. Going to do the job. Am I going to be startled by your cousin beautiness? Yes, you're going to be stunned. She is so beautiful. No, you're not going to be stunned by her beautiness. Is she going to sell the antique tapestry? Yes, she's going to sell the tapestry. No, she's not going to sell it because she inherited from her grandma. Is it going to baffle the crowd? Yes, the news is going to baffle the crowd. Not going to baffle anything. We are gonna quash any the two coup. Here we're gonna is the informal way to say going to. I put it here in purpose for I can explain you that. If you want to know more, please take classes with me. Are you going to leave your grievance about the bad assistance received? I'm going to start these waiters with my grievance. Just I went back to this restaurant. Yes, I'm going to leave my grievance. This type of attention is over the fence. It's like it's not acceptable. Are you going to scoot from the class to play video games? No, we are not going to scoot the class. It's more important. Yes, we are going to scoot that class. It's like zoo. Are they going to bear the decision of our late in our business if the stock keep climbing? No, they are not going to bear the decision of our late in our business. Yes, they are going to bear the decision of our lay in our business. Are you going to refuse the proposal outright, or at least you're going to contemplate the idea? No, we are not going to accept it. Yes, we are going to refuse the proposal. Okay guys, that was everything for today. Remember, going to try to say that the action is going to occur in a future, maybe in a close future, maybe in a far future, but it's going to be in the future. If you want to ask something, remember, as always, the people are going to the third place and then go the pronoun. Okay, and then you can ask adding the going to. Are you going to go? Yes. Where are you going to be? Are you going to say? Are you going to dance? Yes. And you are asking, the third place, as always, is the be verb, and then goes the pronoun. Okay guys, that was everything for today. This short lesson. Remember, if you have any question, any suggestion, Yes, you can leave it in the comment box. I'm going to read everything. A fan page, you can find out the version in Spanish if you are interested too. And remember sharing this video, giving a thumbs up. This video, my fan page, is going to help me so much. In the description of this video and attach, this video like below, you're going to see my WhatsApp if you want to take some classes with me. Remember, my prices are affordable prices for all ages and all levels, from A1 to B2. If you want to have a conversational native English speaker, we can book also this class for you. Okay guys, that was everything. God bless you and have a good day or good night.